Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk about the uses of a compact, cordless circular saw like this one. Now you can see that it's just like a regular circular saw, only in a miniature version. This particular one is using a 4.5-inch blade, and you see you've got a protective fence right here to protect you from the blade. This is in a full adjustable fence right here, so if I wanted to angle the table to be able to make a 45-degree cut or a 22-degree, whatever angle you could be up to 45 degrees, it's the same as if it was a full-size circular saw. Also, you can set the depth of the cut. Right here, there's a handle to reverse this to set the depth of the cut. You've got many uses for a compact saw like this. It's really used as a trim saw. You wouldn't be using this for framing. It's great to use if you're working off of a ladder up high. It even has a belt hook here that if you were using it with a tool belt, you could hang it on your belt and have easy access to the tool. What I like about the grip here is that it's a padded grip, non-slip, safety switch right here so that you have to pull this to then pull the trigger. And it also has this handle grip on the front to give you a firm hold when using the tool. And as I mentioned, the fact that it's a circular saw, so depending on the type of blade that you use, you can cut a myriad of materials. You can cut wood, you can cut masonry, you can cut steel. It all depends on the type of blade that you have. This particular one is a carbide tip 24-tooth blade, so this is really designed for cutting wood materials, but it has a lot of power using its 20-volt system here by DeWalt, and you just click that battery in, pull that switch, and there you have it. It's got a brake on there that shuts that blade off, if you notice, really quickly to keep you safe while you're using the tool. If you need more information, just go to acehardware.com, or better yet, stop by your local neighborhood Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.